Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Joseph answer, shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir. We
sure.
can begin.
Okay, thank you. Good morning. Science recognizes no personal power in the universe responsive to the prayers. A moment of prayer to strengthen us to overcome any pandemic situations.
Music rao. ये गाना लो. शुरू हो गया था प्रोग्राम. लेकिन दिखता नहीं है. चलेगा मगर चलेगा. दिखेगा. ना, चलेगा. रहने दो. नहीं नहीं दिख रहा इधर. प्रेयर हो रही प्रेयर.
In this fluctuating, alarming scenario, we'll begin our day by remembering the quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. Ever since humanity has discovered science, human being has evolved at a rapid speed. This shows how beautiful science is. As responsible human beings, it is our duty to use science in the fulfillment of the society. The galaxy of intellectuals invited distinguished international and national faculties, research scholars, organizing committee patrons, and my dear students. A warm good morning to everyone assembled here. Myself, Harish TM, Assistant Professor, Organizing Secretary of iSmart, extremely honored to have a great opportunity to host this auspicious gathering about the first international conference on sustainable materials and renewable technology, iSmart 2021, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Federal Institute of Science and Technology. It is an ongoing attempt to provide a forum for high quality academic papers and to promote a rapid communication and exchange between researchers, scientists, and engineers in the field of mechanical engineering. The conference also offers a good number of invited lectures from the renowned speakers from different parts of the world. The conference will facilitate opportunities to network, collaborate, and exchange ideas with renowned scientists and researchers in the field. Our two-day conference will cover the emerging areas of material science, manufacturing engineering, and renewable energy. Novel and relevant technologies related to sustainability of materials and their manufacturing, the various principles for sustainable manufacturing and production, and the various technologies that support the use of renewable energy are a part of this two-day conference. In this respect, iSmart 2021 conference can help us to exchange our ideas, knowledge, and potentials for the development of the subject and also to perform better research at the international and national levels. Our conference on sustainable materials and manufacturing and renewable technologies can open up opportunities to create a new door for collaborative research activities even in international arena. ISMAT 21 has received around 180 full paper submission from various sectors. We hope that you will benefit professionally by attending different technical sessions during the conference. Our mechanical engineering department is skillfully led by a person who is not only a great motivation to all of us, but a visionary and the one who gave us the belief to bring together such exemplary events. As a part of the official inaugural ceremony, with immense gratitude on behalf of the entire faculties and student body of Mechanical Engineering Department, we welcome our head of the department, Professor Dr. Jose Cherian, to deliver the welcome address.
A very good morning to one and all. Today's guest of honor, Dr. D.P. Kothari, former Director IIT Delhi, President of the meeting, Mr. Anish Kumar, Vice Chairman FISAT, beloved Chairman Dr. Anida P. in her absentia, respected Principal Dr. George Isaac, Vice Principal Dr. C. Sheila, Dean Dr. Sunny Kyriakos, coordinators of the iSmart 2021, Dr. Rajesh, Dr. Midhun, Mr. Jiju, Harish, Nitin, respected faculty colleagues, and my dear participants. During this pandemic situation, the need of the hour for the nation and the entire world is to accelerate the research work to make this world a better place to live in. Researchers across the globe are trying to reduce the carbon content of the atmosphere, enhance the harvest of renewable energy, and use of environment-friendly materials for manufacturing. iSmart 2021 provides a forum for communicating and exchanging ideas among engineers, researchers, and scientists across the globe. iSmart 2021 offers a good number of invited lectures of renowned speakers from different parts of the world and facilitates the research work among the faculty members and scientists and engineers across the world. Of course, the information technology helped us to conduct a virtual meeting like this during this pandemic situation. Now, my official duty is to welcome all the distinguished guests here. Today, we have Dr. D.P. Kothari, former Director IIT Delhi, as the chief guest of the day. Dr. Kothari is most popularly known for his contribution to the advancement of engineering education in India. He has published and presented over 842 papers in national and international journals and conferences. He has authored and co-authored 60 books, including power systems, optimization, etc. We are indeed very much privileged and lucky to get such a reputed personality for the inauguration and keynote address. Sir, I humbly welcome you to this function. Today, our Vice Chairman, Mr. Anish Kumar R, is presiding for the inaugural ceremony function. When we contacted him, he was very much eager to know the details of the program, and he encouraged us to conduct more and more this type of programs which will help the teaching community and in society as a whole. He had promised all the help for iSmart 2021, and his support for this program made this a reality. Sir, I welcome you to this function. Our beloved chairman, Dr. Anida P, is not able to attend this program due to the health issues. Actually, she is the guide and motivator for this type of programs. She is guiding our institution. Now, I would like to welcome our beloved chairman, Dr. Anida P, also in her absentia to this program. Now, I would like to welcome our principal, Dr. George Isaac sir, vice principal, Dr. C. Sheila, dean and CAO, Dr. Sunny Kyriakos sir, coordinators of the program, and all the participants of the program to this function. Thank you and welcoming all of you once again to this program.
Thank you, Dr. Jose.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the welcome address. With utmost respect, we welcome you to the gathering. One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone. The courage to make tough decisions and compassion to listen the need of others is an art. Vice chairman does not set out to be a leader, but become a special one by the equality of his action and integrity of his intent. Your phenomenal contribution to the FISAT fraternity and to society are exceptional and sensational. With most privilege and true respect, we wholeheartedly welcome Mr. Anish Kumar R., the Vice Chairman of Governing Body, Federal Institute of Science and Technology, and President of FBOAS and President of Federal Banks Officers Association FBOA to deliver the presidential address.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Respected Professor D.P. Kothari, former Director of IIT Delhi and former Vice Chancellor of VIT Vellore, and other distinguished speakers, Principal of FISAT Dr. George Isaac, Vice Principal Dr. Sheila, Dean Dr. Sunny Kuriakos, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering Dr. Jose Tarian, and other faculty members, students, and participants of this conference. We are glad that Department of Mechanical Engineering of FISAT is hosting the conference iSmart 2021, that is International Conference on Sustainable Materials, Manufacturing and Renewable Technologies. This conference is sponsored by AICTE. As we know, the theme of this conference is marching towards a sustainable future. I understand that this two-day conference will cover the emerging areas of material sciences, manufacturing engineering, and renewable energy. Novel and relevant technologies related to sustainability of materials, their manufacturing, production, and the various technologies that support the use of renewable energy are discussed here. Renewable energy engineering plays a vital role in the coming years as humanity is facing a fossil fuel crisis. Energy efficiency and the use of technology for the same is an important area of research. Also, it is high time to replace present-day construction materials with sustainable ones. I am sure that this conference will facilitate discussion on all these aspects concerning to sustainable future. Creating knowledge and understanding through science equips us to find solutions to economic, social, and environmental challenges and to achieve a sustainable path to future. On behalf of FISAT management, I use this opportunity to congratulate Dr. Jose Cherian and team for organizing this program. This conference will help us to exchange ideas, knowledge, and it will surely facilitate better research at a national and international level. I wish all the success for this program and all the success for the participants also. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the motivational speech and the unflinching support. The fragrance of flower spread only in the direction of wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. At Meisters, we have such an inspiring personality, Dr. D.P. Kothari, who had battled against all odds and reached the pinnacle of success. He is highly passionate about uplifting the downtrodden, elevate ignorance by conducting technical awareness, drives and infused hope among researchers. His selfless services contributed to the science and technology is noteworthy. We are very fortunate to have among us today invited renowned guest of honor, distinguished Professor Dr. D.P. Kothari, former Vice Chancellor, VIT Vellore, and former Director in charge of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, visiting fellow, RMIT University, Melbourne, Australia. We wholeheartedly extend an affable welcome to you, sir, to officially inaugurate the historic occasion and to deliver the inaugural address. D.P. Kothari, sir.
Harit sir, he is on mute mode, I think.
Yes. Professor, are we audible to you? our respected professor may face a technical issue. With the permission from all.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. With all permission from all the dignitaries and higher officials and all the faculties and eminent speakers assembled here, we will start our inauguration by virtual inaugurating the ceremony. We officially declare the inauguration of our international conference, iSmart 2021. On behalf of the international conference, I welcome the strong pillar of our institution, our head of the institution, Dr. George Isaac, Principal, FISAT, to deliver the felicitation.
Respected President of the function, Sri Anish Kumar, President of Federal Bank Officers Association and our Vice Chairman, esteemed Professor Dr. D.P. Kothari, Head of the Department Dr. Jose Cherian, other invited speakers, dignitaries, participants in this conference, and my dear students. It is indeed a great moment of pride for us to formally inaugurate and go ahead with the conduct of this international conference on sustainable materials and renewable technologies. We are facing a lot of challenges due to the spread of corona, but in spite of that, we are able to march ahead with the proposed program in an online mode, thanks to the technology. The importance of sustainable materials in manufacturing and renewable technologies have already been explained in detail, so I'm not going to speak more on that. I take this opportunity to congratulate the entire Department of Mechanical Engineering of our college, especially the coordinators of the program, Dr. Rajesh, Dr. Midhun, Harish, and Dr. Jose Cherian, for successfully organizing this event as scheduled and for going ahead with the proposed program. I wish all success for this program, and I hope that the presentations and papers presented in this conference will greatly help to add to the science and technology, especially in the field of sustainable materials and renewable technologies. Have a nice day. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the enlightening words. The more you take the responsibility of your past and present, the more you are able to create the future you seek. It's my turn to extend a gracious and inclusive welcome to our respected Vice Principal. It's your sense of commitment which create apt platform for us to grow technically. On this great auspicious event with merging of minds, we welcome you, dear Madam, Dr. C. Sheila, Vice Principal, FISAT, to deliver the felicitation. On behalf of the international conference, we welcome our Dean, Students Affairs, Dr. Sunny Kuriakose, sir, to deliver the felicitation.
Good morning, all of you. Very respected Vice Chairman, Mr. Anish Kumar R. Chairman, Dr. Anita P. in her absentia. Principal, Dr. George Isaac, sir. The Vice Principal, Dr. C. Sheila. Today's guest of honor, Professor Dr. Kothari, sir. Other esteemed resource persons, delegates, and dear faculty colleagues. At the very outset, let me congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering for venturing into conducting an international conference on a very relevant and most apt theme, sustainable materials and renewable technologies. I know how difficult it is to conduct a conference online in the virtual mode, and also I consider this as a success as you have decided to conduct such a seminar, such a conference, international conference, with all these constraints. We all are very much constrained by the COVID-19 pandemic. The entire world is now being affected by the evil consequences of the pandemic. But nevertheless, you have come forward to conduct these programs. So I especially congratulate. I am here to offer all felicitations to the program. I know that the program has many resourceful technical sessions and paper presentation sessions, and also deliberations, question and answer sessions. I hope and pray that all the deliberations, both formal, technical, and informal deliberations, will open up new areas in the theme, the area of the conference. I understand that the resource persons are highly resourceful, and I request the delegates to make use of the expertise and experience of the resource persons to the maximum possible level. And of course, this is the first international conference that the Mechanical Engineering Department is conducting. After the NBA accreditation of the department of the program, you are now very keen to conduct as many programs as possible. Thanks to the teamwork and concerted effort, I especially thank the head of the department, Dr. George Serian, for his wonderful leadership, and also the coordinators of this program. And I wish all the very best. And finally, the delegates for best and fruitful period, hours and days ahead at the seminar. I wish you once again all the very best, and thank you for giving me an opportunity to offer felicitation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for the phenomenal support. On behalf of the international conference, I welcome the backbone of our international conference, General Convener of our ISMART 2020, Associate Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, FISAT, Dr. Rajesh CR, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Harish, for the introduction. Respected Vice Chairman, Mr. Anish Kumar R, and Chairman in absentia, Madam Dr. P. Anida. Chief guest of the day, Dr. D.P. Kothari and Dr. Babak Anasari, the honorable guests, keynote speaker present here. Our patrons, the beloved principal, Dr. George Isaac, Madam Vice Principal, Dr. C. Sheila, Dean Dr. Sunny Kuriakose, our HOD and General Chair, Dr. George Serian, my dear colleagues and dear participants. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Federal Institute of Science and Technology, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our keynote speakers. We are all eager to listen to you. We express our gratitude to the speakers for agreeing to take part in iSmart 2021 from various parts of the world and India, and share with us the latest developments in the field. I also take this opportunity to thank the sponsors of this conference, the AICT, the All India Council for Technical Education, which was a moral boost and a certificate of recognition for this event. I take immense pleasure in extending my sincere thanks to the management, especially the chairman and vice chairman, for supporting us with the means to make this event a success. I would also like to express my heartfelt thanks to our principal for the constant encouragement he had given. And I'm indeed grateful to Madam Vice Principal and the Dean for sparing the time from their valuable schedule to be with us on this occasion. I'm also grateful to our HOD for his timely advice and supervision. I have been fortunate enough to be backed by a very motivated and dedicated technical program committee with the organizing secretaries Dr. Midin Paul and Mr. Harish TM, and joint secretaries Mr. Unnikrishnan and Mr. Nidinech, and the finance chair Mr. Jiju PP, along with a handful of our student volunteers were very vital in organizing this conference. Their hard work and perseverance have made this conference eventful. Last but not least, my heartfelt thanks to all the participants who have joined us today. We thank you for being with us. It has been a great pleasure. We hope that you will benefit professionally by attending different technical sessions during the conference. We are also thankful to all our colleagues, scholars, students, and staff of the department, as well as the university and others, who accorded their kind help in all regards for bringing out this abstract volume, the proceedings, and making the conference a successful one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ceaseless flow of thanks of the level of immense propensity to all the luminaries gathered here. As the official function, inaugural ceremony of iSmart 2020 is coming to an end, we will move on to the inaugural plenary lecture by our renowned distinguished professor, Dr. D.P. Kothari.
Thank you.
Sir, are you ready, sir?